Good day, Blox Fruits fans. Want to step up your game and become an admin? In this video, we're talking about how exactly to become an admin and if it's possible. So firstly, get noticed. Admins often choose players who've stuck around, help others, and are active. So start by being a reliable crew member, join clans, help newbies trade, and show good behavior. Admins want responsible players, so log in regularly, earn some achievements, and show you're respectful in chat and gameplay. Join the official Blox Fruits Discord or Roblox group, participate in events, help moderate discussions, volunteer your time. Also flag bugs, suggest improvements, report issues, show you care about making the game better. When the time is right, usually during admin recruitment drives, you'll see an announcement in the Discord or game page. Follow the application instructions to the letter. Send a well-crafted message, share your experience, and explain why you're a good fit. And there you go, becoming an admin in Blox Fruits is all about consistency, helpfulness, and community involvement. If this helped, like the video and hit the subscribe button for more Roblox tips. Catch you next time.